honestly a little scary if you ask me. Hi y'all. Today we're opening the biggest FabFitFun box I have gotten in a very long time. And I am so incredibly excited. You have no idea. I do have a coupon code, I believe saves you $10 off your box. I'm not totally sure, it's always changing. So that is down in the description box below. Right, so I am going to also have my laptop pulled up so that we can see all the prices. So I have that right here. I always add on a mystery box and some refills of my boyfriend's toothbrush, which I actually got from FabFitFun, and then I just get the refills every time I get a box. So first thing on here, they're still doing their scratcher. Okay, so match 3 of the same colored logos in a row to win. I didn't win. It's okay. I have a great box, so it's all right. First thing I got from Customization 1 is the Haps Votive Set. This is a $45 value, and they are a set of 3 candles, I believe. So, candle for all those days when life goes sideways. Honestly, had a lot of those lately, so I could use that. Oh, it smells so good already. Okay, so you get 3 different votives. I think these are 3 different scents. There's Middle Seat, Lucky Hit, and Drunk Text. That smells delicious. Okay, Middle Seat has hints of rose and musk. I'm usually not a rose person, and I feel like this smells really good. So I like that. This one is Lucky Hit. Oh, that one smells so good. This says it has hints of vanilla and clove. Yum, yum, yum. And then lastly, we have Drunk Text. Hints of jasmine and sandalwood. I would say this one's probably my least favorite, but I do still really like it. So you get the 3 votives, and you get this cute little votive holder. It says Haps on it. Hopefully you can see that. And then you just drop that in here, and then when you're done, you just dump it out. I have so many little votives like this that I got in some advent calendar last year. And I don't really like the packaging. So I thought this would be really cute because this perfectly fits them, and it fits my home decor a lot better. So very, very excited about this. These are made with soy and beeswax, so that's awesome. Then I got the Macy Blackwell, who I love, by the way. If you don't know who Macy Blackwell is, go follow her on Instagram. She's just living the dream. Her house is beautiful, she's beautiful, I love it all. So she did a collab with Short Stories, and these are the gold cheese knives. I was kind of expecting this to come in nice packaging, to be honest. I didn't realize they were just gonna throw the knives in there. Honestly, a little scary if you ask me. These are sharp. So this is the first one. I don't know enough about cheese knives to know what each of these are for, but they're so pretty. I'm excited about using these for the holiday season. And then, like I said, you do get a set of 3. There's this guy. I love this. So beautiful. This gold is really pretty. It's not like a super yellowy gold. It's just like a true gold. And then there is this one. So this is what the set looks like. These are beautiful. These are so beautiful. They're incredibly sharp. So gently set that down. Next customization, for customization 3, I got the Lemmy Irish Sea Moss Beauty Liquid Drops. I've been wanting to try sea moss for a really long time. I've heard it's really, really good for you, but everywhere I look, it's just so expensive that I don't want to try it and then hate it, which is why I like FabFitFun, because I'm already paying the subscription. I've already gotten my money's worth from the 2 items that I already love, so it's worth it to me to try something new and kind of take a gamble. So this is what the actual bottle looks like. This is really pretty. I love this like lavender dropper. And sea moss is really, really good for your skin. Good for your hair, skin, and nails, provides mineral support, immune health, and brain health. This is vegan, gluten-free, and sugar-free. So this is awesome. Has sea moss with D3 and biotin. I really want to try it. That's actually really yummy. I expected it to be really gross. It just bit my tongue. But it's really good. Can't tell you what the flavor is, but there's not a ton of flavor, which I don't mind. So I'll actually use this, and I think this should last at least 30 days. So I'm pretty excited about this. That's a win, and that retails for $25. Then for customization 4, I couldn't decide what I wanted to get, so I decided to get a mystery choice. That's always really fun because you just never know what you're gonna get. Recently, I've been doing that. I think last box, or maybe in the summer box, I got my favorite shampoo. It's the IGK Dream Hair shampoo and conditioner. That was one of the mystery items. So good, so good. So putting together what's in here that I don't recognize. This is what my mystery item was. This is the Zoe Isla Satin Standard Size Pillowcases, headband, and a jade roller. This is like a perfect go-to gift. It's already done. Oh, this is the box that the knives were supposed to be in. It just came undone, but it did come in a box. I guess that makes me feel a little bit better, but it just wasn't sealed, so that's okay. Looks like on the FabFitFun website, this is $69. So that is incredible in terms of value. Definitely not what I would spend, because you do just get one pillowcase, a headband, and a jade roller. And then the headband is like this very like Palm Springs-esque palm leaf. Pillowcase is just white. This is really cute. I'm probably gonna just gift this. I have a couple white elephant parties, and I think this would be a really good white elephant gift, or just like a coworker. Everybody loves these kind of things, so this is great. Then for customization 5, I got the Water Drop Bestsellers Micro Drink Discovery Kit. So this is what it looks like. It's super cute packaging. I honestly thought it was a little potted plant. And this is, they're little like things that you drop in your water that give different tastes. So there are 4 different flavors in here. We have watermelon cucumber, and you can kind of tell what they look like on the inside. So you just pop one of those out, drop it in your water. We have the raspberry elderflower, sky, unsure what flavor that is, and black currant and elderberry. Super, super cute. You get 3 in a pack, so we get 12 total. And this is a retail value of $20. So I'm really excited to try these out. They're filled with vitamins, bursting with flavor, and is the easiest way to stay hydrated. But yeah, so I'm really excited about this. I feel like I can always be drinking more water. I've been hooked on Element for a long time. If you don't know what Element is, go get you some. I'll put my referral link down below. It's basically salt that you add to your water. Fantastic, top tier. Different topic for a different day, but these I'm pretty excited about as well. I believe this is actually the last customization, and then I actually added on a different customization. I added on another item. So this is the 111 Skin Celestial Black Diamond Brightening Essence. This is a $43 value. 111 Skin is so good. It's like one of the best skincare brands out there. It's a little smaller than I thought. It looks like this is 30 milliliters. But this is what it looks like. Very, very beautiful. This is packed with anti-aging peptides fused with fine diamond particles, aiding a complexion that appears more lifted, firmer, brighter, and more even. It has tranexamic acid, hematite extract, and copper peptide. So this is really cool. Also, 111 Skin is a female-founded brand, so that's always cool. I'm curious if this has a scent. A little bit. It smells like just a really nice spa, honestly. You can tell the bottle is glass. Wow. And then lastly is an add-on that I did. This is the Grande Cosmetics Grande Lash Enhancement Serum, and this is a 3-month supply. I've been wanting to try this for a really, really long time, but it's $68, and I'm not about to spend $68. So I decided to add it on. If you want to add something on to a customization, it's usually $15, which this was. So I just added this on. I'm not going to get this for $15 anywhere else. So this is awesome. This is what it looks like. It does have a clear package. And then you just put it on your lash line and it helps to grow your lashes. So I'm really excited to actually try this. So that was everything in my box. So let me get some pricing. $310, y'all. And it's a $50 box. So I got such great value from that. So I'm super, super, super happy with that. So let's go ahead and dive into my mystery box as well. Mystery bag, clear bag, not very much of a mystery. This is my mystery bag. This is a $20 add-on that I get every single time. Something from Tula in here. Okay, so this is the Tula Take Care, Polish, Revitalize, and Cleanse Body Exfoliator. I have never tried a body product from Tula, but I love their face wash. This is a huge bottle. It is 8.1 fluid ounces. This is huge. Oh, it smells so good. I cannot pinpoint what it is, but it smells really good. Hopefully you can kind of see, it's like a little bit pink. This smells like I'm gonna love it. Okay, powered by probiotic extracts, lemon peel, hibiscus flower acid, triple AHA blend to gently dissolve dirt and debris, revealing smoother skin, more even toned, glowing skin. So this is really exciting. I'll total up the value of what that cost in a little bit. Then we have the Invisibobble Everclaw, a metal-free all-hair clip. I love a good claw clip. I have so many of them, so this is probably something I'll save as like a little stocking stuffer. But it's really cute. And like it says, it is metal-free, so this is actually made of plastic. That's kind of cool. Nothing incredibly revolutionary, but I'm not mad about it. I have a feeling that body exfoliator is already my $20 value, so I'm so excited for this. I had a feeling that this was in here. I think this was something that you could get in the fall box, and I didn't get it, and I really wanted it, but I wanted something else more. I'm so excited. So this is a foldable yoga mat. This is from Gaiam, and this is, let's see the dimensions. It is 68 by 22, and it is just really beautiful. Oh, and I get a free online yoga practice as well. So this is what it looks like. It's a celestial pattern, and then it's foldable. So you can just, you don't have to roll it. You just fold it up, and you're done. Honestly, this is probably the pattern I would have picked anyways, so I'm excited. It has all the constellations on it. It's a really beautiful navy color. This is so exciting, y'all. Okay, so for $20, I got a foldable yoga mat, a cute little claw clip from Invisibobble, and a Tula scrub for 20 bucks. So worth it every time. Every time it's worth it. Even if it's not something I'm gonna use, it's an amazing gift, an amazing gift. All right, so for $20, let's go through the pricing. So first, the claw clip is an $8 value. The Tula exfoliator is a $34 value, and the yoga mat is a $45 value, $87 worth of value. So honestly, this is a fantastic box. FabFitFun literally never lets me down, and the winter box is no exception. This is probably one of my favorite boxes all year. I definitely think the yoga mat really swayed me, to be honest, but I love the candles. I'm so excited to try Grande Lash and the sea moss. Let me know what your favorite item from this box was, and if you have FabFitFun, let me know what you customized, if we got any of the same things. I'm super curious. So let me know down below, and if you don't have a FabFitFun subscription, feel free to use my code down below to save yourself a little bit of money. always worth it. Always happy to get this box in the mail. Thanks for coming to hang out with me. I super appreciate you being here, and I really look forward to seeing you in my next video. In the meantime, I hope you have a killer day. Bye!